Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And sa ngayon, nandito ako sa Harrison Hot Spring. And isi-share ko lang sa inyo guys na nag-walking lang dito. And I'm enjoying the fresh air, although it's very cold still because it's February. But here we are, trying to walk around and trying to go to kung saan yung hot spring nang gagaling. So, eto na nga, galing na kami doon. At malamig pa. Kaya hindi kami pwedeng mag-stay ng matagal. So, eto po ang kabuuan ng Harrison Hot Spring. At ang hot spring na to, Harrison Hot Spring na to is located sa Fraser Valley po. Ayan, maganda po yung dito, nakaka-relax po. And also here, I guess if you have a freshwater fishing license, you can do the fishing here at the lake. And there's a lot of things that you can do here, especially on summertime. It's very busy here. Parking is limited. Marami ding mga hotel dito na pwedeng pag-istihan. And you can stay here for weeks or ilang araw, just to enjoy the valley or enjoy the water during summertime. And ayan, marami pong nagsiswimming dito pag summertime. And tignan natin kung ano ito kasi bago yan sa akin. Last time na I was here, hindi pa ganito kaganda yung daan. Medyo maputik-putik pa noon at saka maliit lang, but I guess ayan dinevelop nila, so mas maganda na yung nadadaanan na papunta mismo doon sa may hot spring. So hindi ko na po na video yung hot spring kasi naka-live ako kanina, so eto na lang po yung aking maipapakita. At saka ito, ayun na nga, bali pabalik na kami dito sa sa may parkingan kasi nga malamig guys, mahangin at saka as in talagang iba yung lamig dito. Thank you for watching and please like po sa mga nanood.